Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Sid here. It's been 1 year I uploaded any video on this YouTube channel. Yeah, it's 1 year. August 2022 was I think the last video I uploaded in this channel, and I was completely away from YouTube from the time, but from that time on. And I didn't expect to take a break of this long. I was intended to take initially for a few months away because I used to be a scalper before coming into who am I. I might be new for many folks now. So it's a very small channel, just 100 subscribers. A very small channel. I used to do scalping until last year, and I slowly gained the confidence of becoming a profitable trader slowly. And I started this YouTube all because of being accountable to someone and upload, show my trades and all, so that I don't take any stupid trades at the time. And it did help me. I did definitely YouTube helped me a bit to become more disciplined towards trading at that point. But I wasn't able to continue making videos because I was not able to trade the way I used to trade. So I was a scalper. You have a look at one of these videos in my channel, and I used to be a scalper where I used to hold the stocks only for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 1 minute to 5 minutes max. I never holded any stocks for more than that, very rarely. So I used to be that kind of trader where in and out, and I used to use interactive brokers because I was scalping, and interactive brokers was perfect for scalping. And because I was no longer able to scalp, I mean, scalping 9:30 to 10:30 is the best time, the opening 1 hour, and I was no longer able to trade at that time because I had other commitments, other works that I do. So it was not aligning with my trading, and I am a part-time trader even now. So I was not able to adjust the time period, and I was so used to scalping and doing scalping at 9:30 to 10:30. I wasn't able to adjust to that in any time period. So I thought I will take a break for a few months, come back with a new strategy, learn something new, and just implement something new so that I can be a part of trading. Even though I'm not able to trade at 9:30, 10:30, can be a part of trading. I thought I always wanted to start swing trading so that I can I always knew that someday this might happen. So I started learning once I stopped trading last year. I started learning, focusing more on swing trading, and kind of learning the discipline that needed for swing trading, where I can hold the stocks or the options for longer than what I used to do. It's a big task for me because, as I said, I never really holded any options or stocks for a longer time. And all this while, last 1 year, I wasn't uploading any videos, but I was still trading every now and then, not as regularly as before, but I was trying few strategies. I was doing swing trading. I was doing taking trades, like testing out few patterns, and finally, I felt like this is the right time to come back because YouTube is something I love. I love recording videos. It's sad that I can't show my face right now. I'm not. I'm not like I'm still shy enough to show my face. Maybe someday I will come back in front of the camera too. But for now, I'm coming with a new set of videos where it focuses mainly on swing trading, and I want the videos that I'm going to do from now on, which will be useful for folks like me who are not able to trade because of their other works and all. That's why I want to create these videos about swing trading where it will be helpful for others. Worked so hard for the last 1 year, looking at back testing multiple strategies and all in swing trading aspects. So I'll try to make videos on that front and make it useful for other folks like me. So that's it. My channel is Wise Investing. You can subscribe to this channel. I will be keep posting videos from now on. I'll be primarily doing still options, but not like with a huge size or with huge amounts. I'll be mostly doing swing trading with smaller positions, but trying to hold longer and taking entries where I have a good risk to reward. And I used to talk very less about risk to reward, but now from now on, you will hear more from me about risk to reward because that's what I want to become from now on. So Wise Investing is the channel. Please subscribe. Encourage me. I want this channel to grow so that it encourages me to make more videos. So coming into today, I have a trade that I took today. Luckily, there are two things. One is good that I started green, but one is bad because I didn't stick to my game plan. I will explain what was my game plan and why did I exit. So there's a weekly chart of SPY, and I was following all the time. When we broke out of the trend line, I took swing trades here. I was taking swing trades every now and then in multiple stocks when we are in this uptrend, and finally we got resistance at this particular level, and we came back last 3 weeks. It's been red. I was expecting the SPY to come all the way down to the support, but it didn't. It was just it was just bounced a bit before that. But if you go back to Qs, this is where Qs came all the way down from this particular support. If you go to daily, this is where we have resistance, support, and then we are bouncing here. I'm not going this bounce. I don't know if it go all the way up, but I know it might bounce a bit from here, and there's a good chance of getting a piece of it from here to 370 somewhere. And the stock I was looking at here is Tesla, because Tesla was beat down quite a bit for the last few weeks or so. It was in a good uptrend for the from January. You can see all the way here, and we rejected right at this trend line. I didn't take a trade here. I wanted to at the time, but I missed it. And then we broke out of this support level in last few days back, and I was looking at right at this region where we had support for quite a bit. If you have a look at from last, this is from last year May, and I wanted to take an entry, but Friday I was hesitated to take a trade on Friday because we are right at this support and the trend line support. I thought let's wait till Monday and see how Tesla behaves, and we had a gap up in Tesla. Market was slightly green, and same. I just entered right at the second 5 minute candle, and I had my stop loss at the low of the day because it's a gap up. I was sure that if it's going to come down, I'll exit at this. And if I go to my option chart, I took a 240 call for September 1st, not this week. So I took a contract of next week. I entered at 220 somewhere, and my stop loss was 180, and I wanted to hold this for next few days. That's the plan, but I didn't do that. That's a mistake. It happened. Still, I did I got like 60% or 65% out of the contract that I took. um, I got at 220 entry and exited 367. The reason I exited, it's not because of Tesla. It's more of because of SPY. I was looking at this SPY 5 minute, and we have this higher low happening here, one, two, and then when this is a trend line I was watching. When SPY broke out of this trend line, that's where I got hesitant. We have a big support and this trend line support, and it broke down. I felt like maybe we still have some downside, or we might consolidate a bit more on the SPY. And if SPY consolidates for a while, it's not easy for Tesla to just go up. That's the reason I just got out of my trade, but I shouldn't have, because this is going to be good. If you look at Tesla, if you look at Tesla chart, I still believe this has potential to move to 240, 250 in the next few days, because Tesla was down for the last quite few weeks. There should be some relief bounce all the way around this 240 to 50 area. I missed a trade. I closed it with 65% on this contract, and this is how I'm going to trade from now on. So, and I'll be making more better videos on swing trading from now on. And if you're interested to follow what are the new channel, new setup that I'm going to do, new set of videos, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you like this video. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.